Hey there, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about: how to make money from Binance. Whether you're new to crypto or looking to optimize your trading strategies, this video will walk you through the essential steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Create and verify your Binance account. First things first, you need to create a Binance account. Head over to the Binance website and sign up. Make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Once your account is created, you'll need to complete the verification process. This involves providing some personal information and uploading ID documents. Verification is crucial as it ensures you can use all of Binance's features, including higher withdrawal limits. Step 2. Deposit funds. With your account set up, the next step is to deposit funds. Binance supports various deposit methods, including bank transfers, credit/debit cards, and cryptocurrency deposits. To deposit funds, log into your Binance account, go to the Wallet tab, and select Deposit. Choose your preferred method and follow the instructions. For bank transfers and cards, you'll enter your payment details. For crypto deposits, you'll need to generate a deposit address on Binance and send the crypto from your external wallet. Step 3. Start trading. Now that your funds are in, it's time to start trading. Binance offers a wide range of trading pairs and options. Navigate to the Trade section and choose either the basic or advanced trading interface, depending on your experience level. For beginners, the basic interface is straightforward and user-friendly. Here you can place market or limit orders to buy or sell cryptocurrencies. A market order buys or sells immediately at the current market price, while a limit order sets a specific price at which you want to buy or sell. Step 4. Explore Binance's earning features. Binance also offers several ways to earn passive income. You can explore features like staking. Lock your coins in a staking wallet to earn rewards. Binance Earn. This includes various savings products, like flexible and fixed savings accounts with competitive interest rates. Liquidity farming. Provide liquidity to certain trading pairs and earn rewards in return. To access these, go to the Earn tab on your Binance dashboard and explore the different products available. Step 5. Keep an eye on market trends and manage risks. To maximize your profits, it's crucial to stay updated on market trends and news. Follow cryptocurrency news, analyze market charts, and use Binance's built-in tools for technical analysis. Also, managing risk is essential. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and consider setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. And that's a wrap on how to make money from Binance. Remember, trading and investing come with risks, so always do your own research and make informed decisions.
Join now. Watch and earn up to 5 million tokens every day on Telegram at +go_in.